What you doing under there?
You know, just trying to.
Hey, bro, I see your panza, man. I see your panza right there. So what are we doing under here?
Pretty much, we're swapping this out. I'm not too sure what kind of brand or aftermarket exhaust system this is.
It's not stock?
Nah, this is an aftermarket. But yeah, pretty much swapping it out for the Invidia N1. I think it's like a 71 millimeter or something like that. Don't know the power difference. Good thing was.
Long story short, you're getting a new exhaust. You're taking this one off and putting on the new one. So I just took out his stock, and this is just a brand new one right here. You look irritated. Why you
This shit's a piece of shit.
Man, look at the difference. Hey, look. Did you see the brand? Ultimate. Pretty much old one's off, new one's going on. Alright, hey. Yo, that was love.
That is ghetto. Oh, I got a fucking piece of fucking something in my ass. Alright guys, just finished up with the Invidia N1 exhaust. I mean, I say, let's see, let's go ahead and try to get this shit on, you know what I'm saying? A little feng shui, Camera's on.